Namaste everyone. I welcome you to my channel Pratibha with Biotechnology. Today we'll be going through molecular biology Q&A from 4th semester. Conjugation. Conjugation is the process by which one bacterium transfers genetic material to another through direct contact. During conjugation, one bacterium serves as the donor of the genetic material and the other serves as the recipient. The donor bacterium carries a DNA sequence called fertility factor or F factor. The F factor allows the donor to produce a thin tube-like structure called pilus, which the donor uses to contact the recipient. The pilus then draws the two bacteria together, at which time the donor bacterium transfers genetic material to the recipient bacterium. Ribozymes is a ribonucleic acid enzyme that catalyzes a chemical reaction. The ribozyme catalyzes specific reactions in a similar way to that of protein enzymes, also called catalytic RNA. Ribozymes are found in the ribosome where they join amino acids together to form protein chains. Ribozymes also play a role in other vital reactions such as RNA splicing, transfer RNA biosynthesis, and viral replication. Tryptophan operon or tripoperon. The tripoperon is an operon that is a group of genes that is used for transcription together that codes for the components of production of tryptophan. The tripoperon includes 5 genes that encode enzymes needed for tryptophan biosynthesis, along with a promoter, RNA polymerase binding site, and an operator, which is a binding site for repressor proteins. The genes of the tripoperon are transcribed as a single mRNA. Transposons or transposable element, in short TE, a jumping gene is a sequence that can change its position within a genome, sometimes creating or reversing mutations and altering the cell's genetic identity and genome size. Transposition often results in duplication of the same genetic material. Transcription were first discovered by Barbara McClintock in the year 1983. Functions of reverse transcription enzyme or reverse transcriptase. Reverse transcription enzyme enable the synthesis of DNA from an RNA template to produce complementary DNA, that is cDNA. Reverse transcriptases, in short RTs, use an RNA template and a short primer complementary to the 3' end of the RNA to direct the synthesis of the first strand cDNA. Photoreactivation. Photolysis. Photolysis are DNA repair enzymes that repair damage caused by exposure to ultraviolet light. These enzymes require visible light from the violet or blue end of the spectrum, both for their own activation and for the actual DNA repair. The DNA repair mechanism involving photolysis is called photoreactivation. They mainly convert pyrimidine dimers into normal pair of pyrimidine bases. State central dogma of molecular biology. The central dogma of molecular biology describes the two-step process, transcription and translation, by which the information in genes flows into proteins, that is DNA to RNA, RNA to proteins. Transcription is the synthesis of an mRNA copy of a segment of DNA. RNA is synthesized by the enzyme RNA polymerase. Proteins are polypeptide chains synthesized in presence of ribosomes, tRNA, and mRNA. Give the differences between polycystonic and monocystonic mRNA. Polycystonic mRNA is that messenger RNA which encodes for 2 or more proteins, whereas monocystonic mRNA is that messenger RNA which encodes for only one or specific protein or polypeptide. Polycystonic mRNA contains many codons of cistrons, whereas monocystonic mRNA contains single codons of a cistron. Give any two differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic mRNA. Prokaryotic mRNA, polycystonic mRNA, and mRNA synthesis occurs in cytoplasm. Eukaryotic mRNA are monocystonic and synthesis occurs only in nucleus. If you want to add, you can also add in prokaryotes. In prokaryotic mRNA, splicing, polyadylation, and capping is absent. Whereas in eukaryotic mRNA, you'll be able to see capping, splicing, and polyadylation. Photoreactivation is a process that repairs DNA damaged by ultraviolet light using an enzyme that requires visible light. This process removes the pyrimidine dimers without altering other nucleotides in the DNA by using the energy obtained by visible light. Recon. The smallest section of a chromosome that is capable of recombination is called a recon. Their locations within a gene participate in recombination. There is a minimum distance between recons within a gene, and recombination cannot occur within a recon. The term recon was coined by Seymour Benzer. RNA polymerase is an enzyme that is responsible for copying a DNA sequence into an RNA sequence using the processes of transcription as complex molecule composed of protein subunits. RNA polymerase controls the process of transcription during which the information stored in a molecule of DNA is copied into a new molecule of messenger RNA. When you see the RNA polymerase in prokaryote, there are only one type of RNA polymerase which would be able to synthesize all the three different of RNA molecules like mRNA, tRNA, ribosomal RNA. In eukaryotes, we have three different types of RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase for second and third, responsible for synthesizing different types of RNA molecules. A promoter is a sequence of DNA to which proteins bind that initiate transcription of a single RNA from the DNA downstream of it. Promoters are located near the transcription start sites of genes upstream on the DNA, that is, towards the 5' region of the sense strand. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule composed of two polynucleotide chains that coil around each other to form a double helix carrying genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known organisms and many viruses. Each nucleotide contains a sugar and a phosphate molecule, which make up the backbone of DNA, and one of four organic bases. The bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. RNA ribonucleic acid is typically single-stranded and contains ribose as its pentose sugar and the pyrimidine uracil instead of thymine. An RNA strand can undergo significant intramolecular base pairing to take on a three-dimensional structure. There are three main types of RNA, all involved in protein synthesis. Ribonucleic acid is used in key metabolic processes for all steps of protein synthesis in all living cells and carries the genetic information of many viruses. Purine, these are characterized by the presence of two fused benzene rings. They may be adenine and guanine. RNA contains uracil instead of thymine. The combination of base and pentose forms a nucleotide. For example, adenine is a purine base. Adenosine, that is adenine plus ribosome, is the adenosine, is the corresponding nucleoside. Nucleoside means that is the combination of nitrogenous base and the ribose sugar is nucleoside. When you say nucleotide, that's the combination of nitrogenous base, then ribose sugar, then phosphate molecule. That will be nucleotide, okay? Pyrimidines. Pyrimidine is one of the two classes of heterocyclic nitrogenous bases found in the nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. In DNA, pyrimidines are cytosine and thymine. In RNA, uracil replaces thymine. Phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is a weak acid with chemical formula H3PO4 minus. Phosphoric acid is an acid containing 4 atoms of oxygen, 1 atom of phosphorus, and 3 atoms of hydrogen. It is also known as phosphoric acid or orthophosphoric acid. It is present in teeth and bone and also helps in metabolic processing. Insertional elements, also known as IS, an insertion sequence element or an IS element, is a short DNA sequence that acts as a simple transposable element. Insertion sequences have two major characteristics. They are small relative to other transposable elements, generally around 700 to 2500 base pair in length, and only code for protein implicated in the transposition activity. Nonsense codon is one of the mRNA sequences that signals the termination of translation. The presence of nonsense codon causes termination of translation, ending polypeptide chain synthesis. There are three nonsense codons called AMBER, that is UAG, occur, UAA, occur, that is UGA. Nonsense codons are also known as stop codons. Next, circular RNA. In many prokaryotes, the two ends of a DNA duplex are covalently linked to form circular DNA. Circular DNA is naked, that is without association with histone proteins, though polyamines do occur. In linear DNA, the two ends are free. It is found in eukaryotic nuclei where it is associated with histone proteins. Viral DNA, virus that has DNA as its genetic material and replicates using DNA-dependent DNA polymerase. The nucleic acid is usually double-stranded DNA, in short dsDNA, but may also be single-stranded DNA. DNA viruses belong to either group 1 or group 2 of the Baltimore classification system for viruses. Major groove and minor groove. The regularity of the helical structure forms two repeating and alternating spaces called the major and minor grooves. These grooves act as base pair recognition and binding sites for proteins. The major groove occurs where the backbones are far apart and when the angle between the glycosidic bond is 240 degree, and the minor groove occurs where they are close together and when the angle between glycosidic bond is 120 degree. The grooves twist around the molecule on opposite sides. Certain proteins bind to DNA to alter its structure or to regulate transcription, that is copying DNA to RNA, or replication, copying DNA to DNA. Heterogeneous nuclear RNA, in short hnRNA, as the assortment of RNA molecules assembled around newly transcribed RNA, that is pre-messenger RNA or pre-mRNA, in the cell nucleus. The hnRNA associates with proteins to form heterogeneous nuclear ribonucleoproteins. In short, hnRNP. Introns, an intron, that is intragenic region, is any nucleotide sequence within a gene that is removed by RNA splicing during maturation of the final RNA product. In other words, introns are non-coding regions of an RNA transcript or the DNA encoding it. Those are eliminated by splicing before translation. The word intron is derived from the term intragenic region, that is a region inside the gene. The term intron refers to both the DNA sequence within a gene and corresponding sequence in RNA transcripts. DNA replication is the process by which a double-stranded DNA molecule is copied to produce two identical DNA molecules. Replication is an essential process because whenever cell divides, the two new daughter cells must contain the same amount of genetic information or DNA as the parental cell. Theta structure. A theta structure is an intermediate structure formed during the replication of a circular DNA molecule. Two replication forks can proceed independently around the DNA ring structure, resemble the Greek letter theta. Originally discovered by John Keynes, it led to the understanding that in this case, bidirectional DNA replication could take place. RNA nucleotides. RNA is a polymeric molecule essential in various biological roles in coding, decoding, regulation, and expression of genes. RNA is found in nature as a single strand folded onto itself, rather than a paired double strand. Like DNA, RNA polymers are made up of chains of nucleotides. These nucleotides have three parts. First one is 5-carbon ribose sugar. Second, a phosphate molecule. Third, one of 4 nitrogenous bases. That is adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. Rho factor. Rho factor is an essential transcription protein in prokaryotes involved in the termination of transcription. Rho factor binds to the transcription terminator pause site, an exposed region of a single stranded RNA, a stretch of 72 nucleotides after open reading frame. In Escherichia coli, it is a 274.6 kilodalton hexamer of identical subunits. Each subunit has an RNA binding domain and an ATP hydrolysis domain. Transposable element, or TER jumping gene, is a DNA sequence that can change its position within a genome, sometimes creating or reversing mutations and altering the cell's genetic identity and genome size. Transposition often results in duplication of the same genetic material. Transposons were first discovered by Barbara McClintic in the year 1983. SOS repair. SOS response is the global response to DNA damage in which the cell cycle is arrested and DNA repair and mutagenesis is induced. The system involves the REC-A protein, that is RED51 in eukaryotes. The REC-A protein stimulated by single-stranded DNA is involved in the inactivation of the repressor LEX-A of SOS response genes, thereby including the response. It is an error-prone repair system that contributes significantly to DNA changes observed in a wide range of species. Wobble hypothesis. There are more than one codon for one amino acid. This is called degeneracy of genetic code. To explain the possible cause of degeneracy of codons, in the year 1966, Francis Crick proposed the Wobble hypothesis. According to this hypothesis, only the first 2 bases of the codon have a precise pairing with the base of the anticodon of tRNA, while the pairing between the third base of codon and anticodon may wobble. Wobble means to sway or to move unsteadily. Transformation. Bacterial transformation is a process of horizontal gene transfer by which some bacteria take up foreign genetic material, that is naked DNA, from the environment. It was first reported in Streptococcus pneumoniae by Griffith in the year 1928. The process of gene transfer by transformation does not require a living donor cell, but only requires the presence of persistent DNA in the environment. The prerequisite for bacteria to undergo transformation is its ability to take up free extracellular genetic material. Such bacteria are termed as competent cells. zDNA or zDNA is one of the many possible double helical structure of DNA. It is a left-handed double helical structure in which the helix winds to the left in a zigzag pattern instead of the right, like the more common B DNA form. zDNA is thought to be one of the 3 biologically active double helical structures along with A and B DNA. Reverse transcriptase, also called RNA-directed DNA polymerase, an enzyme encoded from the genetic material of retroviruses that catalyzes the transcription of retrovirus RNA into DNA. This catalyzed transcription is the reverse process of normal cellular transcription of DNA into RNA. Hence, the name reverse transcriptase and retrovirus. Purine is a heterocyclic aromatic compound with a chemical structure comprised of an imidazole ring fused to pyrimidine ring. The most abundant naturally occurring purines are adenine 6-aminopurine and guanine 2-amino-6-oxypurine, found in DNA and RNA as nucleotidal building blocks of these polymers. Denaturation in molecular biology refers to the reconstruction of a protein or nucleic acid, such as DNA, to their original form, especially after denaturation. This process is therefore the inverse of denaturation. In denaturation, the proteins or nucleic acid lose their native biomolecular structure. Reconstructing the denatured nucleic acid or protein into its original form is done by the process of renaturation. For instance, a heat denatured DNA can revert to its original form by cooling slowly the two strands and then reform into its original double-stranded helix. Hope you understood today's question and answers. I, Dr. Pratibha KS, signing off for today. Stay blessed, stay tuned with me, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.